Good afternoon to my students. So this is a very important chapter for civil engineering purpose. So this is construction management. Okay. So first you have to know what do you mean by construction management. So it is a management, it is a part of the construction. You have to construct a work. Then there should be process to manage all the projects and all the important works. So this construction is a term that is covering activities from the physical realization of a project, and it is not limited only to the physical activity of developing a man or a material or any machinery and magnitude of the construction activity. That means you have to construct of any project to management in this process. This is known as you have a project that is known as construction management. So next talk about the next objective of construction management. So first there will be various types of objectives in construction management. First one is to collecting the work within estimated budget and specified time. It means you have to the work of the project that is known as you have to complete the project with a stipulated time. Next one is involving a reputation of a high quality workmanship, that is known as you have to take in the work progress should be high quality. Next one is providing safe and satisfaction working condition for all personnel and workers. And fourth one is taking sound decision of at lowest practical management through the delegation of authority. And last one is creating an organization that works as a team. It means the construction work you should subdivided into team, and the team should be known as your construction works to complete the project. This project you have to divide it into various sub team. The next function of construction management. How the construction management will function? There should be 5 stages. One is planning, then analysis and design, then developing and management stage, and fourth one is construction, then handling over stage. The first one we will have discussed planning. Before the execution of work, we should starting a planning. So what is planning? The planning stage is when the project of the plans are documented and the project delivered and requirements are defined and the project schedule will be created. Then that is known as the first stage of any construction project, that is known as planning stage. Then second one is analysis and design stage. After planning you have to decide analysis and design. The analysis stage is where the multiple collected and processed items are examined and correlated and given the necessary context of the mark of useful. That means you have to design the proper data or proper activities of the construction work or a project, that is known as analysis and design stage. That is another part is management. After this project you have to manage all these parts, that is construction management is the overall planning, coordination and control of a construction process from start to the end. It means you have to start a project from starting and completion of the project, that is known as ending point of the construction work. So this time you have to taking the coordination of various management and various teams. Last one is construction stage. Next, construction stage. At construction stage, during the construction stage, a decision is generated starting the working hour of the laborers and quality check and material storage and access to the site. It means you have to construct a project at the site, then you should ensure the quality of the labor and the quality of the materials what you have to use in the construction process. This should be known as construction stages. Then last one is handling over stage. Handover is the process, not a date. Its planning for the should be pro and the start of the project, and it should be viewed as the incremental transfer of knowledge and operation of the project team. That means you have to knowledge all the various teams according to your planning, designing and any other structures. So last one is construction team, and the construction team there should be various parts. The first one is you have to owner and engineer and architect and contractor. There is 4 pillars of the construction management. First one is owner, second one is engineer, third one is architect and contractor. These are the main parts of your construction team. Thank you.